What's up, everybody? Thought I was recording again. Apparently I wasn't recording. I did 65. I did another set which was 35. Yeah, I'm just like, wow. I had messed up on the first video. Was gonna do it the second video, which I thought I did. Turns out I wasn't even recording. And it's just like, wow, you know. I was talking about how I had my rest days. Friday I gave myself a rest day as well because of the injury I had gotten in while hitting a punching bag and, you know, sparring with my nephew, teaching him all that. And I'm just like, wow, you know, I just finished doing the workout. I'm gonna aim for 20 on my right, 20 on my left right now. I don't want to overdo it. I'm just to show that I am working out, even though I did, but the camera wasn't recording. But you could see the bulkness is coming back because I just finished working out, so it's like not as much, but the arms are getting bigger. So here we go. We're gonna aim for 20. We'll do 20. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm gonna jump to the left now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm gonna do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. We'll do 5 more on the right. Right now that I'm warmed up because I just finished working out, like I said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go. So I did my first set, didn't record, 65. After that, second set, 35. And then right now, 20, and we added the 5 more, 25. So it was 25 and 25. And the goal is to get back on the bulk, get back in shape, get the arms big. I don't know if you're starting to see improvement. You know, just keep pushing yourself. As always, put God first. And like I always say, thank Jesus Christ for another day of life. You know, I'm glad to have y'all viewing, watching. My subscribers, thank y'all. If I'm able to do it, you're able to do it. I did get the bench set. I'm happy about it. I should be getting paid soon, so I will get the bench bar. And we'll start doing that. If I get paid later on, sometimes I get paid 2 days in advance, I'll try to buy the bench bar and we'll try to do the video. This next video, we'll do the bench press video. Then after that, we'll do the curling, then we'll go back to the dumbbell. And I only said dumbbell because I only have 1 dumbbell right now. I'm talking to a friend, acquaintance. Hopefully he sells me his 35 pounders for like 25 each, the pair, because he said to give him a price. He works with me, so I know he wanted 15 for a 35 pounder, which is really cheap. Maybe we could do 20, 25, you know. He just wants to get him out of there. If he does get rid of them, 35 is going to be pushing it for me. But if I do little sets, probably like 2 sets of 10, that should be good. You know, you don't want to push yourself. You don't want to tear your arms. You don't want to push yourself past what you're used to lifting. 20, I've already gotten used to it. The goal is to hit 100. Once I hit 100, I'm just going to drop down and just probably do like 40. If not, those sets of 13 as I see people doing. 3 sets of 13. But enough, you know, chatting about the weights. I just want to let y'all know, thank y'all again. And let y'all know, you know, we just got to keep pushing ourselves, you know, and just get on the grind. And today's Bible verse is, and I have hanging on my wall, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever. That's Psalms chapter 107, verse 1. Like I said, I don't know if I've shared the same Bible verses before, but I want to share as many different Bible verses as I can. Sometimes you'll probably hear the same Bible verses. But once again, thanks for watching. Y'all take care wherever you're at, night, day. God bless.